Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to crochet a granny heart pattern. For this project you will need red yarn. Today I'm using Lion brand Feels Like Butter, 4mm crochet hook, tapestry needle and scissors. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I will guide you through each step. You will need to know basic crochet stitches: magic ring, chain stitch, double crochet, single crochet and slip stitch. If you are ready, let's start by making a magic ring. Wrap around your fingers one time and insert your hook. Grab a loop. It's like making a slip knot, but don't close the knot, okay? That's the magic ring. This will be the center of our heart. Once you have your magic ring, we are ready to begin round 1. For round 1, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 3 double crochets into the magic ring. If you don't know how to make single crochet, double crochet stitches, check my crochet tutorial for beginners. One, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the ring. Chain 1. If you want, you can pull this tail and squeeze your ring and make 3 more double crochets into the ring. When you have 1, 2, 3 clusters, chain 1 and make 2 double crochets into the ring. Now we can close the circle, and this chain 4, this is our first double crochet and the chain 1 stitch. And 1, 2, 3, insert your hook into the chain 3 and slip stitch. For round 2, we will make a single crochet into the chain 1 space and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump up to the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and chain 1. Make 3 more double crochets into the space. 2 and 3. Okay. Now chain 1 and jump up to the next space. Make 3 double crochets. Chain 2 this time, not chain 1, because this is the bottom of our heart, and make 3 more double crochets into this space. chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the next space, chain 1 and make 3 more double crochets into this space. You can see our heart now. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and did you remember the first single crochet? Insert your hook here and slip stitch. For round 3 we will make single crochet into every stitch. First, make 4 single crochet into this chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then here single crochet 1, 2, 3 and 1 for chain 1 space and 3 for double crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 1 for chain 1 space, 3 for double crochets. Now here we are going to make a different pattern. 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 more single crochet. For making this looks sharp point, and that's what we want. And go on making single crochets into each stitch. And 1 for the single, 1 for the double crochets, and 4 single crochets for the chain 4 space. And now we are going to cut the yarn here, or you can make a slip stitch here, but I want to show you beautiful way to close, not too short, a little longer. And get your tapestry needle Did you see the V stitches like V? Okay, now insert your needle into the both V's and did you see the V here also? Insert your needle into the middle of the little V's. Again. Did you see? Perfect finishing method. Then See you in the end. Don't pull too tight. And then our magic ring go on like that 1 or 2 more times and close tight. And now you can cut the leftovers. And we are done. We have the perfect granny shaped heart. This pattern is perfect for Valentine's Day or any other special occasions. For example, you can put in your gifts, you can use in the blankets or on your clothes, or maybe you can do it bookmark. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it and happy crocheting. Remember to subscribe to my channel and for more crochet tutorials and ideas. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.